guys, this is a great, now listen, this is a short haircut, but it's not super short. It's like a Lisa Rinna, Meg Ryan kind of haircut that we're going to do. So Kathleen came from far away. I'm not going to tell you where, but she came from far because she seen my video. Now listen, those hairstylists out there that don't want to watch my video, you should, because people want special haircuts because she has needs. This hair is so thick. She needs texture and she needs the right layering. That sucker will lay so nice for her, and it's going to be super easy for her. When something's cut right, it just becomes easier for the client. So I'm going to show you this. Like, look at all this hair, right? Even here, we're going to make this flip up, okay, that she can have. But I want to look at this haircut so we can see it. Right, listen, it looks like it's cut right. But I'll show you when we start getting into there, the different things that you can do. It's really not textured in the root. That's the biggest thing. And look at this top. Right, that top is not structured correctly. I don't know. Well, it actually looks not too bad, but we just have to like fix it enough. It's just too long still too. It has to just be able to get around that brush one time. You know, so you're always going to think of that. Do you need somebody's hair to get around a brush so it's easy for her? Because we got to think about what's easy for her. And then, and her sides. These are super thick too. Yeah. So, yeah, we're going to like balance everything out so it'll be nice and easy. But it's her birthday present. What a good birthday present. Thank you so much. So we'll get ready. So stay tuned. right, this is the magic right here. Invisible serum. Yep. Okay, I'll show you how much to use. About that. Okay, rub it in the hands. Nice. See? This is the best. Get it in that hair. This is what will separate. See how it puts that separation in there so it's not helmety. Bingo. Done. Done. You don't need spray if you don't want spray. How nice. Beautiful. Isn't it so pretty? You have to walk. All right, so our goal is to make a Pixie. Oh, look. I'm going to make a Pixie. Beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yay, happy birthday!
I wish it was.